Hi, I'm Pamela Vallejo.
And I'm Amy Cunningham.
In Garland ISD, we believe every student can learn and every student deserves our best.
That's why each month throughout the school year, the GISD Special Education Department offers a variety of parent education workshops.
These workshops are designed to support the well-being of our students because they deserve the very best.
Our workshops cover a range of topics that are designed to provide tools for you and your child to help them be successful not only in school, but also at home and in the community.
Each workshop meets virtually, and parents must register to attend each meeting.
The Texas Collaborative Autism Project meets once a month on Mondays from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And all other parent workshops and transition workshops meet once a month on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m.
To register for a workshop, simply follow the link to the online registration form in the description below and choose the specific training you want to attend. Once you register for a workshop, a link will be sent to your email address, which will give you access to the meeting. For more information, please visit our website or contact the Garland ISD Special Education Department in-home parent trainers. We're here to help, so go sign up today.